Alright, welcome back everybody, girls and boys, for another unboxing video. This one is Open One cell phone holder with magnetic wireless car charger pad. Automatically, let's see, automatically clamped to lock cell phone, fast charging, one touch, the sensor, adjustable viewing with suction cup or dashboard. Capacitor type. Okay, so let's look at all the specs right here. Product name: cell phone holder with magnetic wireless car charger pad, model Open One. Power input: 5 volts, 9 volts, 12 volts, 2 amp max. Oh cool, you have different voltage options. That's badass. 5 volt, 9 volt, 12 volts, and 2 amp max. Power output: 5 volts, 9 volts, 12 volts, 1.5 amp max. Rated power: 5 watts, 7.5 watts, 10 watts, 15 watts. That's cool. It fluctuates. It has variety when it comes to power input, power output, and rated power. Alright, material: ABS-B plus aluminum plus silicone. Product size: 2.9, 1.8, 2.2 inches. 75, 48, 56 millimeters. Product weight: about 101 grams of bare foam clamp. About 121 with an air vent clip. About 299 grams with a suction cup. Magnetic sensing distance: 6 millimeters. Charging type: wireless charging. Mounting position: dashboard plus air vent. Compatible phone size: 4.7 to 6.7 inches. There you go, my peeps. Color black. Cool. That's it then. Let's open this bad boy up. See what's inside. What's inside this bad boy? Okay, so what's inside here? Ooh, it's pretty heavy. It has some weight into it. Pretty sturdy. Oh, wind. Okay, so this is it, right? Oh, look, USB. You charge it. Open One. Sorry about the blurriness. I gotta read the manual. I gotta see what is what and what everything does and what is it for and how to go about it. Wonder what these are. This on and off? I don't know. I gotta look at the manual. And what? Okay, hold on. No. Wait. This is to release these, right? Hold on. I'm gonna take a guess. Nope. I don't want to mess it up. All right. Let's see what's inside. Let's keep digging out. Ooh. Okay. Things popped up. Okay, here's the manual. Installation instruction. Basibo cell phone holder with magnetic wireless car charger pad, model Open One. Get 24/7 assistance. Use camera or QR scanner to scan. Visit basibo.afterservice.vip. So here we go. Let's see if I could get this closed up. Okay, step 1. 360 cell phone holder with magnetic wireless car charger pad for air vent. Installation instruction. Cell phone holder with magnetic wireless charge pad for air vent. Installation instruction. Alright. 7 steps to follow. FCC requirement. I know it's blurry, man. My bad, my peeps. Jeez. A barcode. Alright, so that's it. I gotta read this. I gotta follow the instructions and learn how to really go about this. So look, you have the suction. Place the dashboard pad on your dashboard and press firmly to ensure tight seal. Then place the suction cup on the dashboard pad and press down the lock part. Okay. What is this? Yeah, I gotta read this. I don't want to break anything or mess with anything. It's a clip, but there you go. So it kind of opens. Alright, and here's the main part. The suction. Cool. Then most likely this goes here. Right? We'll figure it out. I'm just common sense. You know me, I just use my brain and like, well, kind of like a puzzle playing Tetris. Oh, yeah, win. Oh, win. That's the only thing. Okay, and then we got the USB-C. So we got the little charging cable. And that's it. That's all that came inside my feet. Just these parts. So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Alright, my peeps, that's it for this video. I'll install everything. The second part, this is part 1. Just unboxing, checking out what's inside, what's up, what's the content. Alright, my peeps, that's it for this one. Yeah, you already know what to do. Smash that like button. Give us a thumbs up. Comment. I don't know if you guys can see the squirrel. There's a squirrel right here. Chilling. Eating. Right here. Look, right here. There's a squirrel. Oh, look. He's moving. He's munching. He's munching on something, dude. Right here. There's a squirrel. Right here. Hey, squirrel. What's up? Alright, everyone. Smash that thumbs, comment, share, hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, all that good stuff. Alright. Peace, love, and out. Laters, everyone.